In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mona Heights Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mona Heights Primary and Bible knowledge. For how many pieces of silver was Joseph sold to the Ishmaelites?
20 pieces of silver.
20 pieces of silver.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, how many sons were born to Joseph while he lived in Egypt?
12. 12.
Incorrect. 2. Jamaican Affairs, it's a visual. Mona Heights Primary. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Charles Sinclair.
Charles Sinclair.
Correct. Portmore Missionary. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck.
Incorrect. It's Lambert Brown. Science. Mona Heights. What is a specific and complete name for materials that do not allow heat to easily pass through?
Insulators.
Insulators.
Judge? Incomplete, it's thermal insulators. Portmore, the measurement of the intensity of sound is done in which unit?
Decibels. Decibels.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. This is for Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Luigi.
Luigi.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong.
Correct. English language, Mona Heights, spell vivid, which means lively.
VIVID.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, spell foreign, which means overseas.
FOREIGHGN.
Incorrect. Answer came first. It's FOREIGN. Sports, it's a visual, Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this former Jamaican athlete.
Mr. Carter.
Nesta Carter.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican athlete.
Shane Thompson.
Incorrect. It's Johan Blake. General knowledge, Mona Heights. How many pieces comprise a set of dominoes?
28.
28.
Correct. Portmore Missionary. Which piece in a set of dominoes has the highest number of dots?
Double six.
Double six.
Correct. Social studies, this is for Mona Heights, is Booby Key in Jamaica, located in Montego Bay, Kingston, Negril, or Port Antonio?
Port Antonio.
Incorrect, it's Negril. Portmore Missionary is Lime Key in Jamaica, located in Montego Bay, Kingston, Negril, or Port Antonio?
Montego Bay. Negril.
Incorrect, it's Kingston. Music, Mona Heights. What is another name for the whole note?
Semi-brief.
Semi-brief.
Correct. Portmore Missionary. What is another name for the 16th note?
Semi-quaver. Semi-quaver.
That's right. Mathematics, Mona Heights. The ratio of boys to girls in a school is 4 to 9. If there are 169 students in the school, how many are boys?
52.
52.
That's right. Portmore Missionary. As part of a recipe, a chef mixes 3 tablespoons of flour to 2 tablespoons of sugar. If the mixture comprises 120 tablespoons, how many of them are flour?
60.
60.
Incorrect, it's 72. Jamaican Affairs, Mona Heights. Who is the president of the Jamaica Bankers Association?
Richard Biles.
Richard Biles.
Incorrect, it's Audrey Tugwell Henry. Portmore Missionary. Who is the president of Jamaica's Court of Appeal?
Minister. The Prime Minister.
Incorrect, it's the Honorable Justice Marva MacDonald Bishop. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Portmore Missionary Prep on 4 and Mona Heights Primary on 8. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Doing well in school isn't just about getting good grades and outperforming your classmates. It's about leading a balanced life that's focused on contributing to others. Ensure you set aside time to relax. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.